Hi guys! We're going to the market with Dim, Jaria and Morero, and baby Bella. Hurry up, the time. Hurry up. Bella! Bella! Say hi, Bella! Bella! I use mic here guys, but hindi siya gumagana. Lubat pala yun. Nagsasalita ako dyan. Yan yung Buda-Buda Station. Punta kami doon sa market. Walking distance lang po dito guys. Dito sila ni Jeria at saka si Moraro. Pinapunta ko sila dito guys. Since may kunting pera pa naman sa sahod sa YouTube. May 1 week break sila guys. Balik din ito sila sa school. Mag-ano lang sila dito, mga 3 days lang siguro. O babalik na sila sa village. Then punta sila ng school. Binigyan ko sila ng pamasahe. Papunta dito, nasa mga 600 Kenyan shilling or 300 pesos din. Distansya din kasi siya. So, nagbuda-buda lang sila papunta dito kaysa mag terminal van to van. Matagal sila dumating, mga 4 hours. Pag buda-buda lang, diretso-diretso, nasa 1 to 2 hours lang guys. So, bumili kami ng mga pagkain dito para may makain guys at mabusog kaming lahat. Para yung kain lang ng kain.
Yes, she's okay.
Hey, you have the assistant.
Yeah.
Bella. Hi.
They're looking. What is that? Want something. Bayad na kami. Include this one, Jeria. Okay. Bella! Sa video. Not a photo. Nag-stop kami dito guys. Bumili kami ng mais. 20 o 10 peso isa. Market. Uwi na kami guys. Nag-exchange kami ni Moraro ng note ng dala si baby sa akin, siya sa bagahe, tapos ito si Jeria. Bella.
Sawa. Look like you can. So how are you?
Fine. Bye, Bella. What are you saying? Bye, Bella. What are you doing?
Bella?
She's shouting.
Bella is not even 1 year old, but he's having teeth. Almost.
Not, huh?
Is
Is 6, 2 up.
down 4.
Mm.
Ay, Bella. Bella.
Bella.
Say bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye.
Where are you, Bella?
Is it?
She's looking this side.
Yes.
Oh.
It's now looking roadside. Up.
Pauwi na kami, guys. Go fast. Because that one is heavy. Ay, Jeria knows how to balance. Now you are called balance girl. It's heavy, Muraro. Dami kong pinamili, guys, para busog to sila. This is the vegetable they sell in the market.
Yeah. I cannot eat.
Why? Like that.
So please I Kan,
Huh?
ni tu atin na. Nakikuha ko garang ako na, di ba?
It's not good, Moraro.
This one from this side. But those we planted, they are good.
Mag-ingay ni
He always
Bella.
makes noise when I call from school. I hear the sound of Bella
Yeah. She
making a lot
knows
of
na.
noise. Even if I will start saying I will go home, where am I going to start from? I know the way going back home,
Eh.
but to walk until you reach home,
Ay, it's too far. You can't walk.
I can walk, but it is too far.
Ay, it's too far for sure.
I
Bigat
will
mo na,
take the
Bella.
holiday, but I will reach home.
For sure one day. But it's very
Even
kapoy. Guys, it's 6:48 p.m. here, but look at the how you call it? It's hayag pa ba?
at your own place is almost
It's on
12 p.m.
yeah, it's around 5:40. It's already night.
Ah,
It's
you're
dark.
making nice, Bella.
Wah, wah.
I mean, it's dark na totally.
Yeah.
Here is around 7:30. 7:30 dito, guys. Ano na? Umaga. Mangit-ngit na siya ba? Happy si Bella.
Bella. Bella.
You are enjoying for 2 days, Bella. Not even 2.
Bella.
From here to Migori, it is 100.
Yeah.
100. Migori County.
Bella. Bella is okay, comfortable. Na. Hapit na kami. Dito na kami, guys. Dito na kami, guys. Si Bella. Sorry. Nag-juice og unsa ni pakaon ako si Bella og oats. Nag-corn mo.
Bella.
Bella. Not that one. It's here.
And a little biscuit.
Oats, your oats. Ba? Hi guys. Say hi guys. Where?
Bella.
Say hi guys, be. What?
Yeah.
Ano ito na ginagawa? Hindi sa dia talaga hindi mo kira ka. Kala mo ito na lang tayo.
He was asking himself.
Give something.
Yeah, the bread. He is asking when he was a kid. He was asking why this soda is not coming up to here.
Naman the soda, it should be the hair.
Yes.
Why?
He was doing like this because he knows that camera is there.
Ini udah kurang ya, gimana?
Corn. Very corn.
I love biscuit. I don't know why.
Next one is with the
Is another?
like that.
Enggak.
Dia ada lagi mas.
There. You will eat
That one
some.
is like this.
You will eat some.
You did.
You buat.
I cannot eat.
Itu kau mana nama?
But that one is that's Bella white.
Bella is not eating a biscuit.
Where is your one biscuit? The red one.
There is the one which I ate there when you were purchasing.
I thought Bella do it.
Why are you looking there?
Nanti kau nara jadi ni kebe?
Yeah, okay.
Don't give that. You made it. This
Yeah.
oats first.
You can give him. It was too small. Is it sweet now?
I mix with the fruit that is sweet.